Walmart credit card and Target RedCard are designed around different shopping habits, so the better option depends on where you spend most of your money. By the end, you'll know how these two cards compare, what type of shopper each one fits, and what to check before choosing either card. The Walmart credit card is built for people who regularly shop through Walmart stores and online services. If Walmart is where you already buy groceries, household items, electronics, or everyday products, a Walmart Focus card can make sense because it keeps your rewards connected to those purchases. The Target RedCard is built for shoppers who already use Target frequently. If most of your household shopping happens at Target, a Target Focus card may be easier to use because the benefits are tied directly to that shopping routine. The biggest difference is not just the card itself. It is where you shop. If you split your spending between many stores, a store-specific card may not give you as much value because the benefits are usually connected to that retailer. In that case, compare the card's features with a general rewards card before applying. If you mainly shop at Walmart, review the Walmart credit card details and check how the rewards, fees, and account features match your spending. If Target is your main store, review the Target RedCard terms and compare the benefits with your normal purchases. Before choosing either card, check 3 things. First, look at where the rewards apply and whether those purchases match your regular spending. Second, review the account requirements, fees, and payment terms before opening an account. Third, consider whether you want a card that focuses on one retailer or a card that works across more places. A good match is usually the card that fits your current shopping habits, not the one with the most advertising. The Walmart credit card works best for shoppers who regularly use Walmart. The Target RedCard works best for shoppers who regularly use Target. The right choice comes down to which store you actually use more and which benefits you will use consistently. Before applying, compare the current card terms directly and make sure the rewards and features fit your budget. If this comparison helped you decide between Walmart and Target, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of everyday services and shopping decisions.